everybody! Welcome to my channel. Let's take body measurements. You'll need a tape measurement, some waist dance moves, close fitted outfit, something like this, a fitted top and leggings, no baggy t-shirt or trousers, no shoes, and you're ready! Now let's get started. Chest. This is the chest view. Measure above the bust, high under the arms, keeping the tape measurement flat and straight across the back. Chest, 86.5 centimeters. Next measurement, full bust. Make sure you are wearing a good fitting bra and measure over the fullest part of your bust. Mine is 89 centimeters. Waist. Let's apply the dance moves. In order to find your waist, move the upper part of your body left and right and place your finger where it folds, like so. This is the measurement around the smallest part of your waist. Waist, 69 centimeters.
And now, using your behind as a reference, we are going to find the hips. This measurement must be taken around the fullest part of the hips, between the waist and legs.
Hips, 96.5 centimeters.
The high hips. Find your hip bones. And then, take this just below the waist and just above the hip bones to give a measurement across the tummy, like so.
Mine is 82 centimeters.
The next measurement
is neck. Measure around the neck snugly, but not too tight, to determine the collar size. Neck, 37 centimeters. Shoulder. Hold the end of the tape measurement at the base of the neck and measure to the dent at the end of your shoulder. To find this dent, raise your arm slightly. Shoulder, 13 centimeters. Arm. Measure from the end of your shoulder over the elbow to the wrist bone. Help yourself with tape. This is a tricky one. Cut a few bits of tape like in the demonstration and place the first strip on the beginning of your tape measurement. The second strip around 25 to 30 centimeters. And lastly, a third strip between 50 to 60 centimeters. Now, place the tape measurement at the end of your shoulder and tape it down, like so. Bend your elbow and place your hand on your hip. Then, continue measuring over your elbow to the wrist bone. Mine is 62.5 centimeters.
The next measurement, back waist. Do the dance move. Find your waist and place the leggings on your waistline. Now, place your tape measurement down the center of your back and from the lumpy bit at the top of the spine, in line with the shoulders, measuring down to the waist.
Back waist, 37 centimeters. Crotch depth. For this one, you'll need a chair, the waist movement down, and pull your leggings up to the waist. Now, sit upright and measure from the waist vertically down to the chair. Mine is 28.5 centimeters. Almost there, guys. 2 more measurements to go.
Outside leg. Find your waist, pull your leggings up to the waist and measure the side of your leg from the waist straight down the leg to the ankle bone. Now, take your tape measurement, place it under your foot and slide it up until it reaches your waist. Step on the tape, keeping your leg straight. Keep in a straight posture. Hold the tape on your leg, just above the knee. And now, slowly bend your upper body until you reach the ankle bone. Outside leg, 99 centimeters. Inside leg. Using the same technique, measure from the crotch to the ankle bone. Now, stand with your legs apart, place your tape under one foot and slide it up until it reaches your crotch. Then, step on it so it doesn't move. Slowly, bend your upper body, keeping the leg straight until you reach the ankle bone. Mine is 73 centimeters. And voila! You've got all the measurements. And mine too.